Pappa, du måste kolla vad som händer om man åker den här.
Ball sacks. I think the ball bearings are shot in here. Does not feel great. I need to get new bearings ASAP. Oh my god, boys! What? So check this out. This is chamfered like I usually do from on top. But check this out. This is the backside. Oh, the edge is chamfered. Only slightly, but still it's there. And I have not flipped this on the machine. So how did I do that, you might ask? I'll show you. Damn, that's awesome. I've been thinking about doing this for so long, but I just didn't. Let's see, it's this tool. Check it out! So I even went into these 6.5mm holes. Focus. You see them? Yeah. Let's see if I can just... Here's what I did. I went in like this, chamfered it, and went out again. Oh, that's so awesome! My God! Ooh la la! Now 10mm thick lid with a gasket. So nice! Yay! So I bought this cheap surface plate, and of course it's from China, though I bought it from a Swedish reseller. Verified by Shandong Guantang Precision Measuring. Says max deviation is 3.2 microns. Director, verifier, checker. Okay, I guess nobody did that. This is probably just the same piece of paper they send each along with everybody. Anyway, it looks like this. The surface is quite, I mean, it's not, there's considerable pitting in it, but I guess that's gonna still work. I don't know, I might have thrown the money in the river here. It's been patched up in this corner too. Yeah, not the greatest impression. Then again, it was super cheap, so yeah, we'll see. This is what the bottom looks like. Yeah, not great. The palette doesn't really... Yeah, that's awesome. Very efficient budget. Nice. Left to right, this thing is super consistent, probably to the level that the paper describes, but this way, no way. It's like, I don't know, 100 microns maybe even? Yeah. Well then, it was cheap anyway. so flipping awesome. Cut everything from the top, chamfered all of it, and chamfered on the back. Focus, you fuck. How awesome is that? These are completely done, ready to go in the bender. From one program. I really need to get another spindle to come down and do the chamfering, and yet another one to chamfer from up top, because I don't want to change tools too much. I'd rather have 2 extra spindles. Maybe even a third one for engraving and a touch probe. Yes.